Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So first of all, you open your WhatsApp app, whether it is on an Android phone or it's on an iPhone. So open it and decide whether you want to create a poll on in a group or on your WhatsApp status or on a chat with someone. And normally you create polls in a WhatsApp group, or maybe when you are sending a message to someone that you want a person to make a choice or something like that. So you want an opinion from people. So this is how to do it. So let's say I want to send it to someone. So I open a chat. You will see the attach button at the bottom of your screen. So you tap on it. So you see all these options, and you see the poll at the last right at the last bottom right hand corner. So you click on the poll, then you'll be asked to ask a question. So I'm going to type the question. Which are the following topics should I do my next YouTube video on? The first one is how to get a job on LinkedIn. The second one is how to start an online business. Okay, so these are the two options. So there are options like where you see allow multiple answers on, and then if you turn that one off, it means the person can only give one answer. If you put it on, it means the person can give two answers at the same time. So this one, I want the person to have option for only one answer. Okay, so you turn that one off and then you click on send. So as you can see, it has sent the poll and the question, so the person can just answer by using one of the options, and it will be counted. So this is exactly what you need to do in order to create a poll on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you have any problem doing this, please leave your leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll follow up to help you. Once again, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.